day, M5216. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Melanie Santiago. I'm 47 years old. I have 6 kids. Their age is 20, 25, 24, 22, 11, 7, and 3 years old. I am a vocational graduate, 2 years course, computer secretary.
And your religion?
I am Newman Catholic.
Okay, I saw that you have experience being a helper in Qatar since 2005 to 2009. 4 years experience, right? What are your main duty as a helper in Qatar?
My main duty in Qatar is I cooking, I marketing, I take care of pets, I take care also the babies and
Okay.
the children.
And you also car washing,
I,
right?
ca- I do car wash also.
How many car do you car wash?
Two
Okay,
car.
and you're taking care of a newborn baby.
Yes.
Okay, and you have another experience in Qatar also since 2017 2019. What are your main duties as a helper?
My main duties as a helper, I cook, I take good care of the kids, a newborn baby. Also, I wash the I also do car wash.
How many car do you car wash?
Two also.
And you also taking care of pets, right?
Yes, I take
What
care.
kind of pets do you take care?
Dog and cats.
Okay, and you have another experience in Abu Dhabi, right? What are your main duty as a helper in Abu Dhabi?
My main duty in Abu Dhabi, I cook, I iron, I wash the dishes, I wash the clothes, I ironing. I do to car wash.
Okay, how many car do you car wash?
Two also.
And also you take care of pets, right?
Right.
What kind of pets?
Dog and cats.
Okay. You're also taking care of 8 months old baby?
Yes, I do.
Okay. I saw that you have experience taking care of a newborn baby since on your first employer to your third employer, which is newborn, 2 months old, and 8 months old baby. How do you prepare a milk for these newborn babies?
First, I clean my hands and I prepare to sterilize the bottle.
Okay, after you
And then
sterilize.
after I sterilize, I put the exact amount of the milk and I put warm water and I do to check the temp and I shake it and I give it to the baby.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, I check the diaper if there's full, and now after that, I feed the baby, and I also
And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the diaper and also feed the baby, but the baby is still crying, what will you do?
I do to check the diaper and I check the temperature. And
And
after that, I call the parents to pay attention to the babies.
okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because the Hong Kong is a safe country and also high salary.
And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as they want me to stay,
So meaning to say it is okay to you to work with them until you finish your contract, and
Yes.
also if they extended your contract, it is okay with you.
it's okay for me.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
Only I know as a little bit.
What kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
Fried tofu with egg. Also the noodles, I put the vegetables.
Okay, noodles with vegetables. Okay, if the employer prepared some food that you are not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they prepared for you?
Yes,
Okay, it is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
it's okay for me.
How about sharing with kids?
It's okay.
If your employer decided you to go to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup, it is okay with you?
It's okay for me.
Okay, it is okay to you to take care of disabled elderly,
It's okay.
taking care of pets.
It's okay also.
Okay, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese if your employer don't know how to speak English.
It's okay also.
Okay, last question. What will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me because I'm honest, intelligent, obedient, and patient. Also, you can trust me, and also I respect your rules and your family.
Okay. Thank you very much, M5216, Miss Melanie.